In this program, we are going to check which of the two is maximum or minimum number. So first of all, we need to check and take input of the two numbers, that is int and input enter a. Similarly, take input in b, that is int of input and enter side or enter b. Now, how to find maximum and minimum values? Let us say max is equal to 0, initializing them, minimum is equal to 0. So, if a is greater than b, then that means maximum will be a and minimum will be b. Similarly, if that is not the case, then b will be greater than a, then max will be b and min will be a. So let us print these max and min values. So max is equal to comma max and print min is equal to comma min. Saving this with max and min dot py and now running it. Let us say I entered as 2 and 3. So maximum is 3 and minimum is 2. Again, let us check other two numbers. Let us say 5 and 3. So 5 is max and min is 3.